torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. We have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. And already we're underway here. Neuer tries to poke it through. Di Maria, and he's going long. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. Xavi. Ball's come loose, and the chase is on. It's Cristiano Ronaldo! Oh, that's a fine save! Well, as Tesco featured, the keeper has just received an A+ grade. Start the game, to spark the game. I mean, the captain has basically triggered a contest that should be even livelier than we anticipated. Get your seatbelts on, this could be rather exciting. Great corner, and he did the rest. Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch. Xavi cuts it out, and it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Wan-Bissaka trying to get there. Beckham, yeah, he was under pressure to get that extreme. Fernandes! That was no room to insane. Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class weight. Bruno Fernandes handing over it. Harmlessly behind. Oh, that is asking for trouble. Hits one! Sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance. This is threatening to become a really good game. I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now. Aubameyang really was well marshalled there because he was denied the opportunity to turn. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. Now it's Aubameyang. Beckham. Di Maria provides an outlet. Di Maria done very well to intervene. The referee is shaking his head. Di Maria. Well played, he saw that coming. Vieira tries to get it forward quickly. Di Maria gets away from his opponent. Oh, good take in a good area. Koulibaly goes looking. Cristiano Ronaldo. There's a long ball, and the counter is on. Referee's had a look. Really good half of football. 3 goals, 1 separated. sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective
waxay dili loo xadrixaana adika wato alaab dhigtid adika rabaa inaad digashiin
Cristiano Ronaldo.
telefonkaaga ka soo qaad
Already, of course, on the score sheet. Maldini. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb. Juventus merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba.
Juventus showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui, taqui taqui, dale un besito como Naki. Una flota como Saki Saki, prende los motores Kawasaki. En la discoteca Jenny llegaron los Anunnaki, no le baje el pulso, me sale de tu traje. Trajo paquecito pa' que el nene no trabaje. Y yo me sé lo que ella cree que ella se